Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. To open today's webinar, the Australian dollar is struggling towards that 77 level once again. After the 3-month challenge towards this region, for the 11th time the market has failed towards 77 cents, and I still view for this week it will again. In light of this, I'm looking for a move towards 76.40 as support, and then beneath there exposes the next target of 75.85. Looking towards the upside, resistance now seen minor at 76.90 and firmer at 77.40, and it is viewed only above there at 77.40 would ignite further momentum towards 78, 78.5. However, this objective is unlikely to eventuate, and I still hold the view that the market will soon turn towards the 76.40 and take that out and go lower. Well, the resistance in the euro at 111.35 held respectively, and now from the rejection, gaps open this morning down towards the objective, now remaining at 110.55. In light of the current return of US dollar strength, I expect to see a break of 110.55. Then below that level would see 109.35 to 108.55.60. And as you can see here, there is on the 4-hourly some divergence as the market pushed up. The indicator was going down, and also the histogram as well supporting the move lower into today. Dollar yen gaps open this morning, breaks the resistance of 103.55 and now looking for a further challenge up towards 104.35 to 104.90. Reassess from this region as this market still seems to be struggling towards the 105 level. Now, from that said, I do heed caution towards the fact that if we get a failed challenge towards the 104 level, we could see a quick snap to the downside with that support holding at 102.70, and it is only sub there would expose further weakness to 101, but at this stage looks unlikely. Sterling struggling with this 125 handle, now looks back towards the downside, and if dollar strength does continue, we would need to see a break of 123.90 to get that move lower down towards 120 and reassess from the recent lows, which was at 120.80. I am still in that view that this level will eventually come through, and we will see a weaker sterling eventually to that flash crash around that 118 level. Any advances beyond 125 should find good supply. Very interesting price action in gold as it gapped to the downside of now from 1,305 to 1,292. Like many gaps in the markets, they tend to get filled. So just be a little bit cautious that we don't see a $10 jump towards the 1,302 level and fill this gap. However, if we fail to see that, then this would ignite a further fall with a potential target of 12.79. And it is from there a break will give 12.60 as a new target. I am bearish, so I look to see this move eventuate to the downside. My view on oil, pretty much $43 a barrel holds. However, caution is heeded. Although the trend is heating up towards the downside, we are oversold, and I expect to see a market recover maybe in front of this $43 and look towards a resistance of $46 a barrel. So I'm not overly bearish now, and I feel that the market may start staging some kind of return of demand, and we may not eventually hit that target, but instead go back to $46. Well, that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you have a great day ahead.